Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to make zucchini frittata. It is a low carb recipe. Now let's get started. For this recipe, we'll need 2 medium-sized zucchini, or you may call it quiche, 2 cloves of garlic, sliced shallots, some pepper, salt, 1 tablespoon of chopped up parsley, half a cup of Mexican cheese, half a cup of Parmesan cheese, 6 eggs, and some olive oil. I am going to slice up my zucchini. So I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of oil in it. I'm going to saute some garlic and onion at the same time. So after I saute it for a few minutes, I'm going to add my zucchini in. In medium heat, we will saute the zucchini for about 7 minutes. So now we are going to season our vegetables with some salt and pepper. We will need to let this cool down so that we can put the eggs in it. So we will let this cool down and we will put the egg mixture in there. Now we are going to whisk. And at this time you can preheat your oven at 375. Now I'm going to season my egg mixture with some salt and pepper. And I will put my parsley in my egg mixture, just like so. Now this pan is cool, it's not hot. We're going to put our egg mixture in it. Like so. Make sure your pan is an oven-safe pan. And last, I'm going to sprinkle some Parmesan on top. We will let this bake for 20 minutes in the oven. And at the end, we will brown it in the broiler for about 5 minutes so that the Parmesan will get crispy. So now we're going to put it in the oven. So I just took out my frittata. It looks amazing. I'm going to sprinkle some Parmesan on top and let it boil for another maybe a minute or 2. So it's ready for plating. I'm going to put it on my plate. I'm going to garnish this. Just sprinkle some parsley on top. Let me cut one part out and see what it looks like inside. It smells delicious. There you have it. It looks pretty awesome. Give a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.